Well, as Rondrell said earlier, there's quite a bit of green on the radar tonight, even a bit of yellow and a few oranges there. Basically, what we're looking at is plenty of rain, a long, soaking, rainy night. And as you see here, some of those spots of rain are a bit heavy. We're also seeing some lightning and some thunder as well as we move through the night. Now, this rain, combined with some of the conditions we already have, has led to some flood warnings that have been in place for much of the day. These are along a lot of our rivers, and basically we're dealing with two things. One, we've got a lot of that snow from Christmas melting that's filling up some of those creeks and streams. It's also saturating the ground so that when this rain falls down, it doesn't have anywhere to soak into, doesn't have anywhere to go, so it goes into those rivers and fills up. Now, we're looking in particular at some minor flooding, again, minor flooding along the Wabash River, the Eel River, the East Fork of the White River, and the Little Wabash for our friends in Illinois. Bottom line is, if you're in some of those low-lying rural areas on some of those very tight rural roads, you need to be careful. If you come to some of that standing water, I know we say it all the time, but it bears repeating, your best bet's to turn around. Now, let's take a look at exactly what the system is that's behind all of this, and it's actually moving rather rapidly. Look at how fast this moves up over the course of today into the Wabash Valley from down in Kentucky. Now, those showers, again, bring with them some spots which are rather heavy, 1 to 2 inches of rain falling in spots overnight tonight. Let's take a look at how that's going to play out through the evening. Now, in the early morning hours, those showers linger with us. You see them here. We cool down into the mid-30s. That's quite a bit of a cool off from where we were today. Now, overnight, we still have some chances for showers, but by the time we get to see here 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow, we have wintry mix developing along with that rain. Some freezing rain, sleet, as well as some snow. We're looking at some light snow accumulation, getting up to around an inch. For the most part, it's going to be a little bit less than that, and as you head further south, it's going to be pretty well rain. Nevertheless, that's going to move out of the area by the time we get into the late Sunday night, early Monday morning, and we cool down into the mid-teens with a bit of a wind, adding to a real chill there early Monday morning. We clear out through the day on Monday, and we warm up to around 30 degrees, so again, that cooling trend is going to continue. Now, tonight, there we go. Tonight, about a 90% chance of showers, a little bit of thunder and lightning here or there, low around 36 degrees. Tomorrow, we warm up to around 35 degrees. Warm up, not exactly the case. We stick around 35 degrees for our daytime high tomorrow, and you see there sort of a mix over the course of the day, starting with rain, getting some snow and some wintry mix there in the late afternoon. And by the time we get to tomorrow night, we cool down into the teens, we clear out, but we've got quite a bit of a breeze that gives a real bite to that cold. Now let's take a look at the 7-day forecast. And though we do stay relatively chilly, we still have quite a bit of sunshine through the course of the week, and really nothing to write home about through the rest of the week. Just a sunny, wintry week there.
Well, you had talked a little bit about it. Even though some areas are getting flooding, that's actually some good news for some areas.
Right. You've got to remember that a lot of those folks on the southern Mississippi have been sort of choked by the lack of water from the summer's drought. This may be a headache for us, maybe some good news for them.
All right. Thank you very much, Joe.